Hi everyone, New England Gardening here on this Thursday, March 21st, and just a quick last minute project here. It's 27 degrees, but it's nice, bright, sunny day, and it'd probably be warming up, but it's supposed to get down to 21 degrees tonight, and I don't know, I gave it some thought and then decided to go ahead and see if I could protect this because we've had some warm days and the buds on this apricot are swollen. It might be already too late. It was 27 degrees this morning, but we get some really good wind gusts, and although it's calm right for the moment, so I gave it thought and I said, let me take a look at the buds, and then I said, well, what can't hurt, put some thought into this quick effort. So I tied up the branches. I've got a blue tarp. I think I'm just going to dangle some Christmas lights in here and then put the blue tarp on top of that. Okay, so we got the Christmas lights, and I was just thinking probably good to have them on the bottom there because the heat's going to rise, but I'm just going to put a blue tarp on there and see if I protect any of these buds. It's funny, the one with the most buds on it is this branch that has a lot of canker on it, but I was going to just dig it up. I still might get rid of it, but maybe I'll practice doing an air layer. Here comes some wind. I've got a cotton ball found. That putting a cotton ball over the microphone is nice wind suppressant for the camera here, the Sony. So let's see if that does anything. It's not gonna. I don't think there are any. Well, there are a couple, I think. You can see there. That's the part I was thinking I'd do an air layer on. Definitely don't know anything about pruning, and just let that whip grow all the way up there. But yeah, let me get the blue tarp on this, and then I'll plug it in. I don't know if I plug it in now or it is windy. So here's the tricky part, getting this tarp on in the wind. So yeah, looks like there's some fruity buds at the top there poking out of the tarp, but can't save everything. But let me show you. It's a good thing hopefully, well, let's see what happens with the bees. You can see here. It's just starting to warm up. I unplugged it because I'm assuming this is what caused my jump in my electric bill. So as you can see here, my fig trees have broken bud and been doing the fig shuffle. A little bit warmer in the 50s yesterday, but knew I had to bring them in. So hopefully it's going to warm up again. Oops. Yeah, this is the Coldedon Blanc UC Davis. And this is UC Davis or Encanto Farm Black Madeira. It was loaded with figs, but not enough time to ripen. I'll probably do an air layer on this whip here. So this is New England gardening on this cold, windy March 21st, Thursday, March 21st. I'll plug that in tonight before the sun goes down. And I felt the tarp. It already felt warm just from the sun. So hopefully that offers some protection, and I haven't lost the fruiting buds already. So this is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching.